Super healthy recipes that require ingredients from the other side of the world. Welcome to the world of super healthy recipes, where your culinary dreams come true if you're willing to embark on an epic quest for ingredients from the farthest corners of the planet. Let's face it, eating healthy is hard enough, but we're here to make it even more exciting by adding a dash of international adventure to your shopping list. First up, we have a smoothie that's sure to boost your energy, the Antarctic Algae Super Smoothie. You'll need hand-harvested algae from the pristine waters of the South Pole. Just make sure you have a few $1,000s for a plane ticket and a boat to navigate the icy waters. But hey, once you have that algae in your blender, you'll be glowing with health and frostbite, maybe. Next on the menu is the Amazonian AA bowl, but not just any AA. You'll need the wild, organic, ethically sourced AA berries harvested by a local tribe that only picks them on the third full moon of the year. The flavor? Sublime. The effort to get it? Well, if you're not ready for a month-long trek through the Amazon rainforest, this might not be the recipe for you. But think of the Instagram posts when you're finally blending that sacred AA. Now let's talk about salads. How about the Tibetan kale and yak cheese salad? Yes, you heard that right, yak cheese. Forget your local farmer's market. You'll need to make a pilgrimage to the Tibetan Plateau. Once you've befriended a yak herder and learned the ancient art of yak cheese production, you'll be set for the freshest, most authentic cheese to top your salad. Don't worry, the kale can be bought at your local grocery store, but where's the fun in that? Feeling snacky? How about the Patagonian Quinoa Chips? These aren't your average quinoa chips, though. These are made from quinoa grown on the slopes of Patagonia, carefully tended by a farmer who plays classical music to the plants to enhance their nutrients. Sure, you could get regular quinoa chips at the store, but do they have a symphony imbued into them? I think not. For dinner, let's go with something light and simple, like Icelandic Moss Risotto. Don't worry, you'll only need moss grown in the untouched volcanic landscapes of Iceland, where the air is so pure, your lungs will thank you just for breathing while you gather it. Once you've flown to Reykjavik and hiked to the nearest volcano, that moss will add a delicate, earthy flavor to your risotto. The rest of the ingredients? Probably in your pantry. But who's focusing on that when you've got moss from a volcano? Now, no meal is complete without dessert, right? For a sweet treat, let's whip up some Himalayan Goji Berry Tarts. The key here is sourcing goji berries grown above 10,000 feet on the Himalayan mountainside. You'll want to ensure they've been picked by a monk who blesses each berry for ultimate health benefits. The rest of the tart? Just flour and sugar basics you can grab at home. But the real star is that spiritually enhanced, high-altitude goji berry. One bite, and you'll feel like you've climbed Everest, metaphorically, of course. Of course, after your culinary journey around the world, you may find yourself exhausted, both mentally and financially. But think of the health benefits. You'll be so healthy, you won't even mind the jet lag. Plus, just imagine the stories you can tell at dinner parties. Oh, these quinoa chips. Yes, I had to wait for the perfect season in Patagonia. Or this AA. I personally hiked through the Amazon to find it. So, if you're ready to take your super healthy eating to the next level and you've got the time, budget, and travel insurance to support it, these recipes are for you. Bon appetit, world traveler.